I can't put this together because I'm using some of its pieces to balance the tripod right now. But this really worked out perfectly because at first I had this building to go under the model, but this is from a Dollar Tree. I know I have better buildings, and then I came across this building right here, which works perfectly because it looks like the tripod just stepped through it. So, and then over here I'm pasting together with cement the electrical towers. These are the electrical towers from Apex. The plan is I want to have the base here. It's going to be way bigger than what I have here. And I'm going to have the electrical tower on the side, but I'm going to have one that's destroyed over here. Then when this building's put together, it's being stepped through there. And then it's going to be some more open space here, some grass. It's all going to be painted. That's the plan right now, guys. So far, I'm liking how this is turning out.
Espérate, me dice que me va a comprar esto, lo voy a cortar ya. Que estoy teniendo problemas porque que hay un plástico que está aquí en el medio.